My name's Mike Evans. I work for the Environment Agency Wales here in Cardiff. We're a government-sponsored body responsible for defending and improving the environment in Wales, and we do this primarily through managing the activities of others and other bodies on the environment and encouraging them to take steps to lessen the impact that their activities have on the environment. We also take our own responsibilities very seriously, and we have a target to reduce our own greenhouse gas emissions, for example, by 33% by 2015. We're very keen to reduce the impact that we're having on the environment, and we do this through a range of means. For example, the building that we have behind us, T Cambria, in the centre of Cardiff, is an old building that we've refurbished. We've attained BREEAM Excellence, which is a way of measuring the environmental impacts of this building, and some of the ways we've done this are by using only electricity from renewable resources, and we also collect rainwater on the roof and use that for flushing the toilets. We do a lot to encourage people to walk to work, and we've provided facilities for cyclists, so we have up to a quarter of our workforce actually cycling to this office. It's really, really important that we all do our bit to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. We know that we're locked into climate change for at least the next several generations, but we all have a responsibility to make sure our children and our grandchildren have a world which they can live in. So we're all doing our bit to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions.